Chris Van Cleve reporting. Some good news for drivers either heading to their weekend spots or people coming into southeastern New England. Gas is down over $1 from last year's holiday, and both Rhode Island and Massachusetts sit below the national average of about $3.50 per gallon.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, luckily here in southern New England, we have a dry day ahead of us. We don't have to deal with rain like we had to for so much of June. We are dealing with a little bit of fog outside early this morning. Visibility is down to 0 in spots like Newport, Westerly, Smithfield this morning. Even here in Providence, you're looking at 1.5 miles visibility. Block Island doing okay with 7-mile visibility, but definitely fog an issue early this morning. Looking outside over our East Providence camera, you can see dense fog here in East Providence. Temperatures in the low 60s at the moment. Winds are calm, those dew points in the low 60s, so we have another muggy start to the day out there. We do have also another air quality alert in place for today. If you have any respiratory concerns, if you're sensitive, you do want to take it easy today and avoid doing any strenuous activity outside. We're also going to be noticing kind of that hazy sunshine outside as we head into this afternoon. But as I mentioned, we're going to be dry. You're looking at dry conditions on the satellite radar right now. That rain just offshore, just out over the ocean past the Cape. And most of us, once we get rid of that morning fog, going to get into that hazy sunshine as the day goes on. Much wider view shows you a little high pressure system right over the northeast, which means most of us will be seeing sunshine today. So if you are traveling today, you'll get into some bright skies as we burn off that morning fog. Hour by hour, you'll see by 8 a.m. a lot of that fog already starting to thin out, warming up quickly. This is about 2 o'clock this afternoon, potentially in the low to even mid 80s for some of our inland spots, upper 70s along the coastline. So it should be a mild and muggy day, and humidity will continue to build as we head through overnight. So you're looking at another round of some fog developing, perhaps some sprinkles, especially along the coastline as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow. I do think the morning should be dry tomorrow, but into the afternoon, the rain chances start to go up. You can see some heavier showers just off to our west starting to work in as the day goes on tomorrow. Not a washout. There'll be plenty of times that the day is dry tomorrow, but into the afternoon and evening, that rain chance will go up. So today, we are looking at hazy sunshine once we get rid of that morning fog. Temperatures should be around 80 degrees as we head into this afternoon for our inland spots, a few degrees cooler at the immediate coastline. If you're making today beach day, lots of people did that yesterday. Once we get rid of that morning fog, you'll get into the hazy sunshine. Temperatures at the coastline in the low to mid 70s with a low rip risk today. Tonight, you'll see partly cloudy conditions. Another round of that coastal fog likely to develop. Perhaps a few sprinkles by early tomorrow morning, just really damp out there. And again, today we have sunshine. Looking ahead for the 4th of July weekend and the upcoming days, the rain chances do go up for Sunday and Monday. Again, later in the day on Sunday, on Monday, on and off showers throughout the day, but Tuesday for the 4th of July, we're looking at temperatures coming up into the low to mid 80s, and it does right now look to be a dry day. In fact, that kind of kicks off a little period of some dry weather across southern New England. Beyond this weekend, Sunday and Monday, we are looking at sunshine coming through for the 4th of July, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a few days of sunshine and some really warm temperatures. Summer kicking in for this first full week of July.
Kind of surprising. I was surprised. I was looking at it, I was like, oh man, are we actually going to luck out on July 4th and get a decent weekend?
Right?
But I mean, looking at it, it looks fantastic.
It doesn't look bad. It looks like we should, especially by the time we get to the 4th, start to see those improvements. The next couple days, those on and off showers.
It's about time. Seeing sun, and it's July.
Seriously.
We should be seeing that. All right, the time is now 6:23.